Hi, I'm Karina Fraley for Expert Village, and we are making our pine cone turkeys. So we have gone ahead and cut out our foam feathers and feet, and we have our other feathers ready to go. And we're going to start with our pine cone. Remember, decide what side you want to use. If you are just going to go with just regular feathers like this, you can go with pretty much any side. It will fit in any side, but I'm going to use foam as well. So I've decided that I'm going to use the side of the pine cone that actually has more room in between. And I'm just going to start putting my feathers in. Now, if you're going to be doing this with young children, there are a couple of different options. You can actually just, as you can see, they stay in there very nicely themselves. So you can just stick them in there and forego the glue. Otherwise, I really recommend that you use liquid glue. Absolutely do not let children use glue guns themselves. The glue guns are very hot to the touch, and the glue is actually very hot itself. And I always burn myself using them, so I don't recommend them for kids. But again, there you go. Very easy. Stick them in there like that. And you can decide what color scheme you want, how you want your turkey to look. And again, this is a great project to have for the kids out on the table if you're cooking, busy in the kitchen, and the men are all busy watching football. This will keep the kids occupied for quite a while. And so that is the beginning of a turkey.